In this video, I'm going to show you how to view florist recipes. So recipes that florists have shared with you. Now it automatically filters to the next 7 days, so you can go to all of them. Now I can see here next June, this is what a florist designed for their flowers. Now, farmers to florists is a long game. Keep in mind that we're trying to manage relationships, and this will show you exactly what they need from this. And you can look at it and say, hey, I'm going to have ranunculus, I'm going to have cresspedia, whatever it might be. You can go ahead and you can export the recipe. You can look at it. You could say, hey, I might not have this in that color, but here we go. The ideal situation is that in the future, you can grow to order. So you know that this is what they're going to be wanting for a wedding next year in June. And you can look at it and say, hey, I wasn't going to plant apple blossom snapdragons, but I can if that's what you're going to need in those colors specifically. And so it really is just a relationship builder. It's a way to forecast in the future. Maybe they made this recipe off of your current crop plan, and this is all stuff that they know that you're going to have blooming. Or maybe they made the recipe first and they're sharing it with you, and you can grow to order for that. There's a lot of different ways that this can be utilized, but it's meant to be a relationship management, because the whole thing about local flowers is local relationships and you meeting the needs of those florists in your area so that the flowers don't have to travel so far. So that is how you can view recipes for that florist.